Once you get the staples removed underneath, you flip. This is the seat back. When you're pulling the old cover off, anywhere through these regions, all of these regions through here, there's a thin strip of Velcro in the crevice of the seat foam. All of this area. So while you're pulling it off, be careful. Don't just yank it off of there, or you'll pull the Velcro off with it, because the replacement seat covers, especially the ones that are made for Denago, has the Velcro. That's what all that is right through there. It has the Velcro stitched in. So you'd like to reuse it. That'll help the seats, fit nicely. It'll help them look nice and tight. It'll help them not slide around. So that's why they do this. So the tricky part is once you see some black Velcro underneath here, you'll kind of have to push with your finger, then pull with the seat, then push with your finger, while you're underneath here, and you'll start seeing it. And, it's a little tedious and tricky. Like, see that's black Velcro on the bottom right there. So you don't want that to come out if you can help it. So push down on it, pull up on the cover, keep pushing down, and then it'll start lifting off. But yeah, that part is a little bit tricky, so that you don't remove the Velcro that's already attached to the foam. And when you reinstall it, make sure that you keep everything evenly spaced on both sides. Flip it all over, start stapling evenly, from this side, then that side, then that side, that side. Keep everything nice and even all the way around. Then you can start working your way around with staples. I highly recommend an electric staple gun. Highly recommend it. Because if you try to use the old style mechanical staple gun, you will kill your hand, because there's going to be a ton of staples to use. You can use either the 1/4 inch, but I actually preferred the longer 1/2 inch staples, and then you can just adjust your gun accordingly. So we'll have other videos about this project, and yeah, check out our videos about Denagos. We got tons of them, and look for our social media links, Golf Cars of Woodstock, on the internet. You'll have a great day.